PI-KEM and PI-KEM are specialist suppliers of high-performance materials, including metals, alloys, oxides and non-metals. Our products are available in a range of different formats, with unique shapes and sizes available to suit your application. In this two-part video series, we will be exploring the wide variety of options available for our customers, as well as discussing the importance of choosing the right material format for your application. So, why is it important to choose the right material form? It's essential to choose the correct form of a material, as it can have a significant impact on the way it behaves and functions. The first factor that can be influenced by material form is performance and functionality. Material form will influence the mechanical properties of a material, such as its rigidity or ductility, and will overall change how the final product responds to stress or deformation. Additionally, different material forms will exhibit varying levels of thermal and electrical conductivity, which is crucial to consider in applications like electronics. Various chemical properties are also determined by material form, such as reactivity and corrosion resistance. This can influence the functionality of the end product, as well as dictating what environments it can be used in. Finally, physical characteristics such as surface area, density and surface finish will be impacted by material form and will also affect a product's final performance. Secondly, material form can impact production efficiency. Some material forms will be more or less easy to process and manufacture, depending on the given application. For example, metal powders are the most appropriate metal form to be processed into feedstock for additive manufacturing. Some material forms will also result in less waste, which contributes to overall manufacturing time and cost efficiency. It's ideal to choose a material form that optimises material usage as well as product performance. Similarly, maximising material durability contributes to overall waste minimisation. Finally, material form can impact the sustainability of an overall production process. Some material forms are more or less environmentally damaging to extract or resource and energy intensive to process. Similarly, some material forms will be simpler to recycle, contributing to a more sustainable product life cycle. Overall, when choosing a material form for your application, it's vital to consider the manufacturing process, the requirements of the final product, any budget or time constraints, as well as concerns about sustainability and the life cycle of your product. Evidently, there is a strong relationship between different material forms and the impact they have on different production processes and final product properties. There are lots of different factors that should be considered when trying to choose the ideal material form for your application. First up, we have particle size and size distribution, and tolerances within your product sample. Next, we could consider the particle shape or particle morphology. For example, spherical particles or cylindrical pellets, or more irregular shaped granules and lumps. You should also consider what grade of material you need to be working with. This will dictate how much the product has been processed and in what ways. For example, you might require leafing grade nickel, or you might require water grade nickel. Similarly, product purity is another important factor to consider, as well as any associated tolerances. Particles can be solid, hollow or coated. Coated particles could include nickel-coated graphite or silver-coated nickel. There are many reasons why a particle might be coated. For example, if you required the conductivity of silver, it would be quite expensive to have the whole particle be solid silver. Therefore, you coat the silver onto a cheaper particle such as graphite, and this lowers the overall cost as well as the weight of the particles. Finally, there will be several other factors that will be more or less applicable depending on your specific material. For example, considering oxidation states, such as different colours of nickel oxide powders, or any associated magnetism. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll be exploring a comparison between different material forms, such as powders, granules, pellets and flakes. We'll also be taking a deeper dive into the key materials that we can supply, with the help of our distribution partners Novamer and Ultrafine. In the meantime, if you'd like to speak to one of our material experts or learn a bit more about our wide product range, please visit our website, give us a call or send an email to one of our team and we'll get back to you. We're here to enable your innovation and we can't wait to hear what projects you've got coming up that can make use of our high performance materials.